Animal Magic with Linda. Once upon a time in the small town of Greenfield, there lived a kind-hearted and adventurous girl named Linda. Linda had a unique gift: she could communicate with animals. Every creature, big or small, seemed to understand her, and she understood them. It was like a magical connection between Linda and the animals of the world. Linda's love for animals was apparent from an early age. She would spend hours at the local zoo, talking to the animals and learning about their habits and needs. Her parents and friends were amazed by her ability to calm even the most nervous of creatures. They nicknamed her Animal Whisperer. One sunny morning, as Linda strolled through the woods, she noticed a distressed little squirrel stuck on a tree branch. The squirrel had accidentally gotten its tiny paw wedged between two branches and was unable to free itself. "Don't worry, little one," Linda said in a soothing voice. "I'll help you out." With gentle hands, Linda carefully untangled the squirrel's paw and set it free. The grateful squirrel chittered happily, and from that day on, it became Linda's constant companion during her adventures. News about Linda's remarkable gift spread quickly, and soon, animals from all over the town would come to her for help and guidance. The birds would sing sweet melodies for her, the rabbits would hop around her playfully, and even the wise old owl would seek her advice. One day, a group of worried animals approached Linda with a problem. The nearby river, which was their source of water, had dried up due to a long period of drought. The creatures were thirsty, and the situation was becoming dire. Linda knew she had to do something. With determination in her eyes, she decided to talk to the townspeople and come up with a solution. She organized a community event, where everyone would work together to dig a channel and redirect water from a nearby spring to the river. The animals were thrilled with Linda's idea and decided to help in any way they could. The birds spread the word, the rabbits dug small holes, and the squirrels carried pebbles to strengthen the channel. Finally, the day of the event arrived. The whole town gathered near the river, and with Linda's guidance, they started their work. Everyone was amazed at the unity and cooperation between humans and animals. As the water started flowing through the channel, the river slowly began to fill up. Cheers of joy echoed through the town as the animals quenched their thirst from the revitalized river. The mayor of Greenfield was immensely impressed with Linda's extraordinary abilities and her ability to bring the community together. He declared that every year, they would celebrate Animal Magic Day in honor of Linda's special gift. From that day on, Linda became a beloved figure in Greenfield. She continued to use her animal magic to help creatures in need and bring harmony between animals and humans. Her adventures were filled with laughter, love, and a touch of magic. And so, Animal Magic with Linda became a cherished tale, passed down through generations, reminding children of the power of empathy, compassion, and the magic that lies in understanding and respecting all creatures that share our beautiful world.